Hi again, fourth graders. Welcome to session 17 of our Writer's Workshop. Today, as we work on our persuasive story and essay, we are going to be taking your box and bullets that you created yesterday and put them together into a cohesive essay that we can write. First of all, though, I want you to think about what you know about writing essays. Ask yourselves, how much of what we have learned can help us write persuasive essays? Think about those things. We've done a lot of essay writing in terms of personal writing. Now, how can we use that information to help us with writing a persuasive essay? Writers, today we will inquire or ask, what do persuasive essay writers do that is similar to personal essay writers? Keep that question in mind as you listen to the beginning of this essay. No uniforms. Imagine everyone in the world looking exactly the same. Well, if you go to a school with school uniforms, that is what you see. School uniforms are terrible. School uniforms are terrible because they make everyone look the same. They are expensive, and they do not allow you to express yourself. Everyone should try to stop school uniforms and get schools to go back to letting kids wear their own clothes. The first reason why everyone should think school uniforms are terrible is because they make you look the same as everyone else. You will look the same as everyone else on picture day. You will look the same as everyone else on field trips. You will even look the same as everyone else on your birthday. You will never look special. Also, if everyone looks the same, people can get mixed up. For example, my friend Cassie told me that last week she was calling down the hallway to our other friend Emily. "Emily, Emily," she kept calling, but the person didn't turn around. Then she did, and it turns out it wasn't even Emily. This shows that wearing uniforms can make everyone look the same, and that is a reason why they are bad. What has the writer of this persuasive piece done that you have already learned to do in your personal essay? Think about that. There are some factors and some parts in this particular essay that are the same in this persuasive essay as in our personal essay. Do you notice how the box and reasons or bullet points are given? Do you notice the example or mini story about Cassie and the friend Emily are included? Do you notice the evidence that's there? Those are all some of the things that are part of both types of essays, huh? But what moves the persuasive essay writers that they make that are also used include stating a thesis, giving logically ordered reasons, supporting reasons with a variety of evidence, those mini stories, even lists, starting off by letting the reader know that this topic is important, letting the reader know what is coming in the essay, and using transition words and phrases to connect parts. Those are all aspects of personal and persuasive essays. So take a minute and look over your box and bullets plan. You will have 3 days to develop your persuasive essays. The next 3 days will be spent on creating this persuasive essay. By the way, here's another tool you can use to take yourself through the process of developing an essay independently or by yourself. First of all, to think about a topic to explore. Plan how the writing might go. Gather and organize evidence. Draft your story, revise it, and then edit it for the audience. Basically, what we're doing here is if you do not like the box and bullets that you created yesterday, you can start over, such as this example about no uniforms. You might want to go in a different direction, and this is your day to do that. Think about the topic, plan your writing, plan your new box and bullets, gather and organize your evidence, and begin drafting. Again, we're going to have the next 3 days to do this. Remember that the evidence in a persuasive piece doesn't only come from your personal experience. Remember, too, that the writer talks to the audience and uses words like everyone and you. And also that the piece tries to get the reader to think or act a certain way. You're trying to persuade them to act in a certain way. You will also flash draft your persuasive essay again over the next 3 days, and so use all you know about writing essays to help you. For your assignment, I want you to, if you need to recreate a box and bullets, that's the first thing, of course. But if you are ready to write, these next few sessions will be for you to do just that. When you are prepared for session 18, we will let you know, and you can continue on. But at this point, use the next 3 times in sessions or days to write your persuasive essay. Good luck. Remember to use reasons, mini stories, evidence, and follow your thesis. Good luck.